All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to set up Hisense 8000 BTU portable AC flex hoses in a horizontal window. So let's set up this AC. Let's grab our two thingamabobs. Let's go here in the back. We just slide it in like this and then pop it over. I think that's fine, right? It doesn't matter which way it goes. You just got to slide it in. They made it idiot proof. And then once you get it to right here, you just give it a little bang and then it's in. So those are ready to go, okay? No biggie, right? And let's go ahead and try putting it in there and see how it fits. So if I slide it in like that, you see how it drops down? So that's a problem, right? So we've got to figure out something to stick in here so that this will be raised up like that. Okay, so on further inspection, I realized that this is all just a little bit short. So I'm gonna put that foam in there. You follow me? And that's gonna give us a little bit of a boost. All right, so we've got hurricane windows that have a deep recession. So I'm using some of that insulation to pack it in there so I can get my sleeves and my collars in. And, you know, depending on what kind of window you got, you're going to have to kind of jury rig it like I did here. So I'm just going to lock this in here. Let's see if I can get it in. Just going to use a Phillips head. I'm not going to go too deep. I just want to get it in there so that it kind of locks it. I think that's going to work. Maybe I got to get the head a little bit lower. I think that'll work. Okay, now we've got that in there, so that keeps it here. So I'm going to put it up against here and then in here. There we go. And that may do it. Now all I've got to do is pull that window down on it, nice and tight. So here we go. And there we go. That's it. And that smushes it right in there. Now we're set. Now we just got to put our collars in. So these just go in there like that, I believe. And we slide them over. So I would have to go like this. It would go like this, and then I would smush it over this way, like this. Okay. Same thing with this one. I got to go up like this. And we slide, so I'm sliding these little things right here behind here and behind here. You see those? And then it kind of snaps in. So I slide it like to the side here, and then I push it this way. And now they're in. Bam, done. How's that look? Pretty good, huh? All right, now we've got to put our flex hoses on there and then run them up to those two spots right there. So I think that what we've got here is this collar right here is going to catch right on this little lip here. You see that lip? So these are going to just pop over it right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And I just smush it on there and it pops over. Same thing down here. So if you look, you'll see there's a little lip there. And so those just catch on there like that. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and take it like this. And these are going to snap on right here. You see that? So if I give it a little push, and it goes on. But you got to check and make sure they're all on. So the way you do that is just turn it like this, and that's how you get them on. Now to get it off, you just kind of pop it here, pop it there, and it just pops off. So it's pretty easy. So you put it on, give it a push, and it all snaps on, should swirl around, and you should be good. So let's put the other one on. We're just going to get a little pressure on it, right? Snap it, and then we give it a little turn. Oh, that one on the bottom. I don't know if it's on. We'll see. See, this one didn't make it, so I got to push. There we go. So what I do is I just go like this. You see that? Let that sit down there. All right, let's do this one. All right, look at that. So now we've got those sitting there, and I just got to hook them up onto there. So this could be a little tricky because this is just setting in the window. So let's go ahead and get one up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of like pull this up and then I'm going to turn it like this. So now I've got just a nice area here. Now I can hold this and just snap it on. You might want to put these collars on first. You know what I mean? You might do that instead. Oh, there we go. So I got to pull this and pull it like that. I put the collar on first. So what we're going to do is just pull this up. I'm just going to smash it on there. All right, so I've got that one on that one, right? Now to put this in, it basically tells you how to do it. You got to slide it. So I've got to get these two and slide them that way. So I'm just going to bring it up as high as I can, like that. I'm going to set it right there. This one here, bring it up high as I can, and this one should turn. Okay, that one's in. Just set it right there. So what I've got to do is, these things are going to be on this side where this hole is. You follow me? See that hole? That you want these knobbles there. And then all you got to do is slip this on, and I just got to push it over. And it's in. Same thing with this one. I just got to slide it up. So these two here and the ones on the bottom, they slide in here, right? So all I got to do is put it here and slide it over. And it's in. That's it. And then we just got to lock the window down. Oh, there we go. Go ahead and we'll plug it in, see how it works. Try it here. There we go. So now that's on. Now I can test it. Yep, that works. Turn it back on. The green light's on. Test off. Green light on. Bam, done. Okay, so that's on. Now, if we come over here and we want to turn on the power, we're going to hit the power button. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so it's 81 in the apartment. We've got it on cool. Now you can change the mode just by pressing this. There's dry, there's fan, but we want it cool. I think we're on Fahrenheit. You follow me? But we can drop it down. I'm going to put it to 60, 70. And the fan we can go high, medium, low, or back. Now the timer, you can set this, but you know what? I'm going to leave that for geniuses, because do we really need the timer? I don't think so. You can feel it right now. It's cooling. It takes a while for it to kick in. It's definitely cool. It's 81 right now. Hopefully it'll get lower. All right, we got it at 69. All right, that's working pretty good. Now, we do have, then you have this here, right? So I'm not sure if it's going to work for when I click this, if it turns off. I may have to turn it off here and then start with this. But let's try. Okay, so it does turn off. All right, so now I can turn it back on. Watch. So that's the power, right? Now if I want to go up in temperature, I press this. See, 62, 63. I want to go down, 62, 61. And then it has all the other controls on it, just like this. It's got the mode, it's got quiet, it's got swing. We've got it swinging already. If I want it to stop the swing, I could go like this. And then it's just going to open up. Okay. Oh no, it's still swinging. There, that stops it. Now let me get it swinging. Okay, that's good. And then you can just keep this up here. And you're ready to go. And so now we'll just let that cool off the house a little bit. Hopefully it does a good job, but that seems to be working. Now let's go outside and we'll feel the blast of air. Oh, it's definitely hot out here. You can feel it. This is the incoming and the outgoing. That seems to be working pretty good. So that's that right there. And I'm going to turn it off for now. And then we'll try it later on today. And that's it, yeah. See what happens.